From the fear of sitting down and being stared at, to literally having a phobia of phobias. I kid you not. We take a look at 10 unbelievable phobias that actually exist. Number 10. Phobophobia, the fear of fear. There is no better way to start this countdown than telling you about the king of phobias itself. Literally, it's the phobia of phobias. Imagine people fearing to fear something. Too ironic to handle, I know. So let's try to get this straight. Phobia means having a fear, while phobophobia is the fear of having a fear. It's like the sufferer does not want to get scared, but he has now worked himself up so much that he's scared that he might get scared. I think I just developed a phobia of explaining the phobia of phobias, making this phobia the weirdest phobia. Number 9. Omphallophobia, the fear of the navel. Here's another weird fear. As strange as it may sound, the fear of navels does exist. People having this phobia are extremely scared to see or touch their own navel, and can't even bear the sight of others' belly buttons. Omphallophobia is the fear of belly buttons. Sufferers are afraid to have their belly buttons touched, or to touch another person's belly button. Omphallophobes can be repulsed just by seeing or thinking about a belly button, making Miley Cyrus, to these people at least, somehow even scarier. Number 8. Ablutophobia, the fear of bathing. This is different from hydrophobia, which is the fear of water. Ablutophobia involves the fear of bathing because the person does not want to be cleaned. Just like other phobias, there's most likely a catalyst from a past event in one's life that triggers this fear. Sufferers experience breathlessness, dizziness, excessive sweating, palpitations, shaking, nausea, and dry mouth whenever the subject of bathing even comes up. If you have ablutophobia, then you had better go grab some deodorant because you are probably too scared to wash yourself. Number 7. Somnophobia, the fear of falling asleep. This is the abnormal fear of falling asleep. Oftentimes, this fear can be the result of people feeling as though they are losing control, and nightmares have been known to cause it as well. Somnophobia comprises often irrational and excessive fear of sleep. Somnophobes may fear falling asleep because they associate going to bed with dying. It may also result from a feeling of lack of control or from suffering repeated nightmares. Somnophobics may also fear losing time while sleeping. Number 6. Heliophobia, the fear of sunlight. Maybe all those warnings about skin cancer have gotten into these people, or maybe they're just creatures of the dark who prefer to do things in the night. Perhaps they just find it easier to function in the evening when everything is more peaceful and quiet. Sufferers, however, have this irrational fear of sunlight so much that they put up really thick curtains over their windows, or even stay in the basement to keep the house as dark as possible. Number 5. Spectrophobia, fear of oneself. People's souls could be the ugliest view to see. Now, imagine being scared of standing in front of a mirror or looking at your own reflection. One of the weirdest phobias anyone's ever heard of is spectrophobia. It refers to the fear of looking at one's own reflection in the mirror, or the dread of the mirrors itself. This fear is related to one's inability to accept imperfections in the face or body, like moles or birthmarks. These marks may have been the results of some unfortunate events in the past that one just wishes to forget. Number 4. Kathesophobia, the fear of sitting down. Exercising your body is cool, like stretching your legs, for example. But when you get anxious, have trouble breathing, and/or are usually sweating heavily whenever you sit down, then you are kathesophobic. Kathesophobia is the fear of sitting down, and is also otherwise known as thesphobia. When someone fears sitting, they may actually have anxieties about being trapped or being unable to sit still. People with this phobia will do whatever they can to avoid sitting. Obviously, sitting is just part of life. Therefore, living with this phobia can really impact a career choice. The fear of sitting may be the result of a traumatic event where you have been inflicted pain and punishment while sitting down. Number 3. Papophobia, the fear of the Holy One. You wonder the gravity of sins committed by some people that makes them run from the Pope. The fear of the Pope or the papacy is uncommon. It is closely related to hierophobia, the fear of holy individuals or sacred things. An unbelievable amount of people actually fear the Pope. Yes, there are people having papophobia who are terrified of the Pope and other saints as well. These people probably have a hard time going to churches. The fear is often triggered by a trauma associated with the Pope. Number 2. Scopophobia, the fear of being stared at. Scopophobia, which is not only the fear of being stared at but also just being seen, may seem implausible, but scopophobics have this extreme dread of drawing attention to themselves. As a result, they become aloof to others and are unapproachable. They become paranoid of being looked at, so they want to stay at home or secluded as much as possible, totally refusing to be drawn out of their own world. If they do go out, they tend to cover themselves. Scopophobia is indeed highly disruptive to the daily functioning of any person suffering from it. Number 1. Chromatophobia, fear of money. While the entire world is running to money, some can't seem to get far enough away from it. It seems ridiculous that anyone would develop a fear of money when almost everyone else needs some or even a large amount of it. Such an odd kind of dread of having money is called chromatophobia. People having chromatophobia are very defenseless to losing and mishandling money. So what about you? Do you have any phobias? Let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every day.